Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through settings on OnePlus Ace 5 Pro. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and now you have to go to System and Update and click on Backup and Reset. Then click on Reset Phone and click Erase all data. Now click on Clear all data and click Clear. And as you can see, my phone is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.